Hi, in this tutorial I'll be explaining the leaderboard. So the leaderboard is where you need to go to games, show all games, then go to one of your games, and then when you found your game, all you need to do is click on it and then click on leaderboard. As you can see, this is the challenge leaderboard. You can see the game, the map, and the time frame. So this was between the 2nd and the 7th of August 2023. Here you can see the top 3 best scores, and here you can see the top 10 players. Now if you want to see all 36 players, all you need to do is click on view all players, just like that. And if you want to see your own score, you can see it right here. Now also, please note the difference that the score on this leaderboard is the best results of the player from the start to finish on this challenge. So basically what that means is these were the best scores in this time frame. So that means if you get a better score, that score will appear on the game, not here.